Okay, hi all, welcome back. So the first construction today is going to be to draw a triangle when you're given the length of two sides of the triangle and one of the angles in the triangle. Okay, so it's two sides and an angle. The angle here we see that they've given us for the triangle that we want to draw in this example is 60 degrees, and the side AB is 9 centimeters in length and the side AC is 8 centimeters in length. So again, with all these triangles, the first thing that we really should be doing is drawing a sketch of the triangle. Now, I would normally say make the base first of all and make the base out of one of the sides that you have the length of. In this case, I'll pick the longer one, the 9 centimeter one for the base, because I think it sometimes works out easier if you have the base as the longest side. But I suppose there's one other thing you should always watch out for is you try when you're drawing a triangle, when you're drawing the sketch, like if we just imagine this is my sketch of ABC, if you're given the angle here, try and make sure the angle is like here or here, not up in the air here. Okay, so you would, if you were choosing your side for the base, try and choose a side which ensured that the 60-degree angle was either here or here. Okay, and because it's just a sketch, you know, if you were drawing it out first and it wasn't working out properly, if you're in the 60 degrees, it was ending up here, all you have to do is, you know, scribble it out and start again. It's only a sketch. Okay, so this is going to be my triangle ABC then, and if I'm going to use the 9 centimeter side as my base, then that means this must be AB. A and B, okay, and that's 9 centimeters. Okay. If the angle BAC is 60 degrees, well, the way we read this is, well, if that's A and B, I suppose put in the C first of all. So the angle BAC means if you're going from B to A to C, it's always the middle one here, isn't it? It's this angle here, BAC. So it's the angle created by going from B to A to C, like that. And so this here is your 60 degrees. That's the angle BAC. And lastly, then, this side AC is 8 centimeters. So it's this one here. 8 centimeters. And that's enough for us to be able to draw this triangle. So again, we'll start by drawing the base, and we're going to draw it, a construction line which is slightly longer than 9 centimeters, and then we're going to use our compass to draw a line segment from that which is 9 centimeters long. So I'm going to pause for a second and draw the line. Okay, so I've drawn my line here. It's a construction line from one side across the page. It's all I know is it's longer than 9 centimeters, and I just marked one end of it A, and we're going to use our compass to find out where B is. So it should be like 9 centimeters from A. So again, we're just going to measure this out. Now I've done it already. Hopefully it's still okay. From 2 to 11 here. Is 9 centimeters. So what I'm going to do is just put my compass down at A. See if we can do it here. Compass down at A. Going to swing an arc. There we go. That's the arc drawn, and where that arc cuts that line segment that we drew, that's going to be your point B. There, and then I might drawing this a little heavier in a moment. Okay, so the next thing we know is that the angle up here is 60 degrees, or the angle BAC is 60 degrees. So we're going to use a protractor for this one. So putting the protractor down on the page, if we want to draw the angle here at A, then we want to get this crosshairs exactly on the point A, and we want the bottom line of the protractor to be going down along the line segment AB there. Okay, I'll try and line it up. Okay, difficult enough to do this with one hand. So we're going to just line that up a bit better there. And we want it to be 60 degrees. So we're going to use the inside scale here, 0, 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees. We can see that would be an acute angle of 30 degrees, 40, 50, 60. So it corresponds to the 120 on the outside. So we're just going to mark a dot on the outside here, but it's the inside scale we're using to draw this angle. So the next thing I'm going to do then is I'm going to draw a line from A through that point, and I'm going to extend it out, and we'll call that a construction line. Okay, so I've drawn that line. I've drawn it a good length anyway, more than I need it to be. And then I'm going to take my compass again. Using my ruler, I'm going to make sure that it's 8 centimeters long this time, because I want the next side to be 8 centimeters in length. So again, if I look, it goes from 2 to 10. You can take my word for it. And then I'm going to place the point of the compass at A, and I'm going to draw an arc. So let's try and do that one again. So point of the compass at A, drawing an arc. And wherever the arc cuts that line segment that we drew, that's going to be the point C. So let's mark that in as C. So we have our A, B, and C. Now all we need to do is to join C to B to get the other side of our triangle here, CB, and then maybe mark in a few dimensions. And there you have it. I just joined C to B. That's our triangle. That's what it should look like. 60-degree angle here, 8 centimeters, 9 centimeters here.